How do we speak in front of people in outstanding way? Next time से you have to speak with confidence. आपको और भी chances मिलेंगे आगे आने वाले टाइम में, and you must have facial expression. I can believe.
I can believe.
I can believe in myself.
I can believe myself.
So can I ask you one question? When are you confident?
I am confident with my playground.
Okay.
I can
Laugh.
laugh.
I can
I can
smile.
smile
As you can see me.
as
You can see me.
you can see me.
We all guys are going to do one activity, that how do we speak in front of people? What is the right way to speak? How do we speak in front of people in outstanding way? How do we express? What is the right way to express? तो यहाँ पे एक ऐसा एक्टिविटी मैं कराने वाला हूं जिसके माध्यम से आप सीखेंगे कि हमको अपने वर्ड्स को, अपने थॉट्स को, अपने इमेजिनेशन को कैसे एक्सप्रेस करना है. सो फर्स्टली आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल हियर द पर्सन इज गोइंग टू कम. बिग हैंड फॉर आशीष. बिग हैंड फॉर आशीष. ऑलराइट. सो आशीष, प्लीज कम हियर एंड टेक दिस माइक. As well, are you ready to conversate with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just copy me, imitate me, and how am I going to practice and how am I going to do everything in outstanding way? See on the camera and just copy me and imitate me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, speak that. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
One more time, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
what is the value of time.
what is the value of time.
You just see on me. What is the value of time?
What is the value of
I am here
I am here
to present
to present
myself
myself
as a
as a
anchorer.
anchorer.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
time.
time.
What is the value of time?
What is the value of time?
Time is everything.
Time is everything.
Speak there.
Time is everything.
Is understand that,
Understand that,
get that,
get that,
speak that.
speak that.
I am here
I am here
to talk about.
to talk about.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
power of communication.
power of
The
communication.
art of communication.
The art of communication.
And you can do it.
And you can do it.
I can do it.
And I can do it.
I can speak.
I can speak.
I'm here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
communication.
communication.
I'm here
I'm here
to talk about
to talk about
public speaking.
public speaking.
All right, began for Ashish. Began for Ashish. Ashish, next time से you have to speak with confidence. आपको और भी chances मिलेंगे आगे आने वाले टाइम में, and you must have facial expression. आपको बस एक facial expression होना चाहिए. आपको एक linear way में नहीं बोलना. All right, take your place. The next person I would like to call here. Big hand for Rustam and Ghanpreet. All right, big hand for Rustam and Ghanpreet. Rustam, sit here. Sorry, Ghanpreet, stand here, and Rustam is here. Take this mic and apply just here, and just you both guys are ready to conversate with me. Okay. See on the camera, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
One more time. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
what is the value of time.
what is the value of time.
What is the value of time?
What is the value of time?
Guys, raise your voice. What is the value of time?
What is the value of time?
I know that.
I know that.
You know that.
You know that.
We all guys know that.
We all guys know that.
Value of time.
Value of time.
The understanding power.
The understanding power.
Your power.
Your power.
Your power is superb.
Your power is superb.
My power.
My power.
My power is superb.
My power is superb.
I can understand that.
I can understand
I
that.
can feel that.
I can feel that.
Understand?
Understand.
I hope you better understand.
I hope you better understand.
Rustam, you will not speak. Only Ghanpreet will speak. See on the camera. I can see that.
I can see that.
I can believe.
I can believe.
I can believe in myself.
I can believe myself.
I can speak.
I can speak.
I can stand here
I can stand here
because I know that.
because I know that.
Because nahi, because what is that?
Because I know that.
Because I know that.
Because I know that.
You can speak.
You can speak.
I can speak.
I can speak.
I know the value of
I
time.
know the value of time.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
let's give an energetic
let's
give. All right, once again, let's give
give
an energetic,
an energetic
a warm welcome
of A warm welcome.
for Gunpreet. For Gunpreet. All right. Once again, let's give
Let's give
an energetic,
an energetic
warm welcome
warm welcome
for Gunpreet.
for Gunpreet.
I can understand.
I can understand.
I can understand your feeling.
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 Now, Rustam, it's your turn. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
time.
time.
What is the value of time?
What is the value of time?
I understand that.
I understand
I
that.
feel that.
I feel that.
I understand everything
I understand everything
because I am.
because I am
Because.
Because.
What is that? Because.
Because.
Because I am here
I am here
to present myself.
to present myself.
You are.
You are.
You are super duper.
You are super duper.
You can.
You can.
You can believe.
You can believe.
You can believe in yourself.
You can believe in yourself.
Understand?
Understand.
I feel that.
I feel that.
I feel every moment.
I feel every
I
moment.
understand that.
I understand
I
that.
elaborate.
I elaborate.
I feel that.
I feel that.
I understand that.
I understand that.
I understand that.
I understand
I
that.
feel that.
I feel that.
I understand that.
I understand
I
that.
can communicate.
I can communicate.
I can speak.
I can speak.
I can believe.
I can believe.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I want.
I want.
I want it now.
I want it now.
I want it
I want it
now.
now.
Understand?
Understand?
I hope you better understand.
I hope you better understand.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I am here.
I am here
to talk about
to
talk about
personality development.
personality development.
I'm here
I am here
to talk about
to
talk about
building confidence.
building confidence.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
public speaking.
public
public
speaking.
speaking.
I understand that.
I understand
I
that.
feel that.
I feel that.
I choose.
I choose.
I choose to be great.
I choose to be great.
I speak.
I speak.
I speak in my way.
I speak in my way.
You speak.
You speak.
You speak in your way.
You speak in your way.
Right, begin for Rustam and Gunpreet. Take your place and give it the mic, everybody. All right. The next person I would like to call from the girl side. 4 girls are here, and who is going to come? I don't have any idea, but I would like to call first. Big hand for Resmi. Big hand for Resmi. All right. Resmi is going to come and she is going to just practice with, take this mic and she is going to practice with me. All right, Resmi, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Take the mic here. Are you ready
Yes, I am ready.
to see on the camera? Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Right now you are totally nervous, but you have to just boost your confidence. Okay? Speak that. I am here
I am here
to talk about.
talk about
I am here नहीं I am here. Speak that. एक आपके चेहरे पे एक वो confidence दिखना चाहिए. I am here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
what is the value of time.
what is the value of time.
I understand that.
I understand
I
that.
believe that.
I believe that.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I feel it.
I feel it.
I just feel it.
I just feel it.
I have.
I
I have goosebumps
I have goosebumps
because I know.
because I know.
Just see on the camera and Resmi, you are not speaking too high. You are speaking in your very cool and calm way. So it is my humble request to you. Try to speak with confidence. Speak one more time. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I am here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
time.
time.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
public speaking.
public speaking.
What is the value of public speaking?
What is the value of
What is the way of doing public speaking?
what is the doing
What is the way
what is the way
of doing
of doing
public speaking?
public speaking.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
time.
time.
I'm here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
success.
success.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
mutual understanding.
mutual understanding.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
ideas,
ideas,
thoughts,
thoughts,
emotion,
emotion,
your emotion,
your emotion,
my emotion,
my emotion,
everyone's emotion.
everyone's
I am here
I am here
to talk about
talk about
motivation,
motivation,
confidence,
confidence,
building confidence.
Building
All right, big hand for Resmi. All right, all right, all right. Give the mic and take your place. The next person I would like to call here. Big hand for Alok and big hand for the Thoradon. That is who is Chitransu. Big hand for Chitransu and Alok. Alok, come this side and Chitransu, take this place. Well, Alok, yesterday you made a video with me, right? And Chitransu, come here, come closer. Are you confident person or are you not confident person?
both sir.
Both. Are you confident or not confident? So can I ask you one question? When are you confident?
I am confident with my playground. when I
Okay.
am playing.
I'm saying when you are not confident
I am not confident in my class.
in your class. Right now you are confident or you are not confident.
Little bit inconfident.
Little bit incorrect, but don't worry. Just take this mic, and when I will give you so many words, when I will practice with you, you will feel the energy. And Alok, are you confident?
Yes, sir.
And are you ready to speak with me?
Yes, sir.
All right. See you on the camera. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
time.
time,
To talk about work.
work.
What is the value of work?
What is the value of work?
Why everybody talks about work?
Why everybody talks about work?
We can understand that.
We can understand that.
We can feel that.
We can feel that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I am privileged.
I am privileged.
I am honored.
I am honored
to be here.
to be here.
I will talk about.
I will talk about
what is the value of time.
what is the value of
I
time.
will talk about.
I will talk about
what is the value of success.
what is the value of success.
Why everybody?
Why everybody?
Now, Alok will speak. Why everybody
Why everybody
runs after the success?
once after the success
Runs.
after the success.
Why everybody
Why everybody
talks about
talks about
desire,
desire,
dream,
dream,
your dream,
your dream,
my dream.
my dream.
Everything is all about understanding.
Everything is all about understanding.
Trasu, I am
I am
here
here
to talk about
to talk about
time,
time,
money,
money,
value of time,
value of time,
value of money.
value of money.
What is the value of time?
What is the value of time?
What is the value of money?
What is the value of money?
You can understand that.
You can understand
You
that.
can feel that.
You can feel that.
Understand?
Understand.
I hope you better understand.
I hope you better
Feel
understand.
that.
Feel that.
Speak that.
Speak that.
Speak here.
Speak here.
Speak now.
Speak now.
I want it.
I want it.
I want it at any cost.
I want it in any cost.
I want it
I want it
at any cost.
at any cost.
I am
I am
here
here
to talk
to
about
talk about
time,
time,
money,
money,
desire,
desire,
success,
Success.
motivation,
motivation,
inspiration.
inspiration.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
both will speak. Ladies and gentlemen,
ladies and gentlemen,
let's talk about
let's talk about
success,
success,
time, money,
money,
desire,
desire,
motivation,
culture,
your culture,
your culture,
my culture,
my culture,
ritual,
tradition,
custom.
custom.
I understand that.
I understand
I
that.
believe that.
I believe that.
I can speak here.
I can speak here.
I can speak among the people.
I can speak among the people.
We can speak.
We can speak.
We are motivated.
We are
are
motivated.
We are confident.
We are
are
confident.
We are super duper confident.
We are
We are
super
super
duper
duper
confident.
Alright, begin for Chidransu and Alok. Take your face and give the mic. Alok, pass the mic. Alright. The next person I would like to call here from the boys' side and from the girls' side. I would like to call from this side. Please, big hand for Aman. And please, big hand for from the girls' side, Muskan. Come here. Big hand for Aman and big hand for Aman and Muskan. All right. Muskan, take this mic. And Aman, take this mic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. See you on the camera.
Yes, sir.
See on the camera exactly. See on the camera. Muskan, come here. See on the, come here. See on the camera. And speak with me. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I am here.
I am here
To talk about
talk about
success.
success.
What is the value of success?
What is the value of success?
Just you both guys are making me laugh. Right now I am laughing inside, but I cannot express right now. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I am here.
I am here
to talk about
talk about
success.
success.
What is the value of success?
What is the value of success?
Why everybody runs after the success?
Why everybody runs after the success?
Because now, Aman, you will not speak. Only Muskan will speak. What is the value of success?
What is the value of success?
Why everybody
Why everybody
runs after the success?
runs after the success?
I know
I know
the value of time.
the value of time.
I know
I know
the value of success.
the value of success.
I can express. I
express.
can express myself.
I express.
I can
express
myself
myself
among the people.
among the people.
It is my confidence.
It is my
It
confidence.
is people's confidence.
It is people
It
confidence.
is my guardian's confidence.
It's my guardian confidence.
I believe that.
I believe that.
I believe in working hard.
I believe in working
I
hard.
work hard.
I work hard.
I work hard from morning till evening.
I work hard from morning till
I
evening.
work hard.
I work hard.
I always work hard.
Always work
I
hard.
am positive
I
person.
am positive person.
I know
I know
what are the affirmation.
what are the affirmations.
I believe that.
I believe that.
Affirmation.
Affirmations.
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 Affirmations can push me towards the success.
Affirmations can
Put me
put me towards
towards the affirmation
affirmation
can push me
can push me
towards success.
towards success.
Because success
Success
is all about struggle.
is all about the struggles.
The second name of success.
The second name of success.
Second.
Second.
What is that?
Second.
The second name of success
Second name of success
is success.
success.
Struggle.
Struggle.
Failure.
Failure.
Desire.
Motivation.
Culture. Understand?
Understand.
I hope you better understand.
I hope you better
Believe
understand.
in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Always believe in yourself.
Always believe in
It
yourself.
is your responsibility.
It is your
It
responsibility.
is your duty.
Your duty.
See on the camera. It is your duty.
It is your duty.
It is your responsibility.
It is your responsibility.
We all guys.
We all guys.
We all guys are here.
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 We are
We are
to talk about
to talk about
time. Your positiveness.
your positiveness.
Everybody
Everybody
has a lack of confidence.
Everybody have lack of confidence.
One more time. Everybody speak with confidence. Everybody
Everybody
has lack of confidence.
lack of confidence.
Everybody
Everybody
has
has
lack of confidence.
lack of confidence.
I believe that.
I believe that.
I feel that.
I feel that.
I can face camera.
I can face camera.
I can laugh.
laugh.
I can
smile.
smile. As you can see me. As you can see me.
you can see me.
I am laughing.
Laughing.
I'm laughing at myself.
I am laughing at myself.
Alright, big hand for Aman and Hissa. Can you give the mic?
Next second, sir.
Give the mic. Alright. Okay, everybody. I would like to call the next person is here. The next person is going to come from the boys' side. Big hand for Aditya. Big hand for Aditya. And the next person is going to come here. Big hand for Nitish. Big hand for Nitish. Alright, Nitish, come here. Nitish, take this mic. Alright, speak with me. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
ये कौन सा स्टाइल है? Ladies and gentlemen. One second बोलो. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
ये हाथ को बाहर निकालो and speak on the camera. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I am here.
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
time.
time.
What is the value of time?
What is value of time?
नहीं जल्दी नहीं बोलना है. What is the value of time?
What is value of time?
What is
What is
the value
value
of
of
time?
time?
What is the value of success?
What is value of success?
I know that.
I know that
Everybody works hard.
everybody works hard.
Everybody works hard from morning till evening.
Everybody also works hard till
from
evening.
morning
Till evening.
from morning
From morning till
till evening. Everybody
Everybody
works hard
works hard
from morning
from morning
till evening.
till evening.
I believe
I believe
that.
I believe that.
I believe in my energy.
I believe in my energy.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I always believe.
I always believe.
I am confident person.
I always believe I am confident.
Listen properly. Listen properly. Once again. I am confident.
I am confident.
I am always confident.
I am always
I am confident person.
I am confident.
I believe.
I believe.
I believe in God.
I believe in God.
God is always with me.
God is always with me.
एक कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए यार. एक आपके चेहरे पे कॉन्फिडेंस है. God is always with me.
God is
God is always with me. God is always with me.
God is always
I
with me.
believe.
I believe.
I worship.
I worship.
I always worship.
I always-
I
always-
pray.
I pray.
I pray to the God.
I pray to God. God.
Please help me.
Please help me.
I'm here
I am here
to do
to do
work hard.
Work hard.
In coming days.
in coming days.
Because
Because
I want to make
I
my
want
life.
to make my life.
I want to make my life.
I want
I want to
make
my
life.
life. Both will speak. I want to make my life
I want to make my life
to the next level.
to the next level.
All right. Big hand for Nitish and Aditya. I would like to call here. Big hand for Priyanka. Big hand for Priyanka. Okay. Priyanka is going to come. And from the boys' side, I would like to call Sameer. Big hand for Sameer. Sameer is going to come. Big hand for Sameer. All right. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
my work,
my work,
my daily routine.
my daily routine.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to
my motivation,
my motivation,
my inspiration,
my
my
inspiration,
responsibility,
my responsibility.
duty. एक confidence. समीर, आपके पास एक confidence होना चाहिए. I'm here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
my motivation,
my motivation,
my inspiration,
my inspiration,
my energy.
my energy.
I believe
I believe
that
I believe
I always believe.
I always
I
believe.
always believe in Samir.
I always
Believe in Samir.
yourself.
You can do it.
You can do.
You have.
You have.
You have power.
You have
You
power.
have energy.
You have.
You
energy.
have everything.
You have.
You have power.
You have power.
You have energy.
You have energy.
You have.
You have.
You have everything.
You have everything.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
my word,
my word,
my desire,
my desire,
my inspiration.
my inspiration.
Because I am.
Because I am
Because I am confident person.
Because I am confident.
I always.
I
always believe.
I always
talk about.
I always talk about.
I always talk about confidence.
I always talk about confidence.
I always talk about energy.
I always
Talk about.
energy.
I am
I am
motivated person.
motivated person.
I am
I am
confident person.
confident.
I am
I am
energetic person.
energetic person.
I am
I am
energized.
energized.
I am
I am
super duper excited.
super
Duper excited. I am
I am
excited.
excited.
Once again, I am
I am
excited.
excited.
See on the camera and speak. I am
I am
excited.
excited.
I always
I
always believe.
I always
I
believe.
feel that.
I feel
I
that.
feel my goosebumps.
I feel my goosebumps.
I feel that.
I feel
I express that.
I express
I am
that.
here
I am here
to talk about
to talk about
energy,
energy,
time,
time,
success,
success,
motivation,
motivation,
inspiration,
inspiration,
success,
success,
your motivation,
motivation,
my motivation.
my
All right, big hand for Priyanka and Samir. All right. Take your place and give me the mic. Give me the mic.